Did you know that you can hack your Facebook profile so that you can get unlimited free leads and sales for any type of business? Hi, Massimo here, and today I wanted to tell you that this is possible. How I discovered this? I was trying to find methods and ways to get leads without having to pay. So I started searching on the internet, on YouTube, on Facebook, in many Facebook groups, and at the end I found some systems. One of them, the coolest one, is that making so that your Facebook profile works as a landing page. In short, like a page which shows to people what you are doing and what is your business about at first glance. And if you know how to do this properly, your Facebook profile will drive the potential customers, qualified leads, directly into your business or your offer. And you don't have to spend any money for this, because Facebook is free. So I learned how to do this and then learned it for free. Click on the link below or leave a comment or send me a personal message. Get my training video so that you can get all the information on how to do this. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate the time you spent with me, and let's start together getting free leads from Facebook. Ciao!